Most people say you need a CO2 laser to professionally engrave glass. So naturally, I decided to try it with my diode laser. And honestly, I did not expect this.
Exterminate! Bazinga!
What's up guys, Scott here from ACMER Tech, and I hope you guys are having a great day. Today we're getting into a couple different methods I use to engrave on glass. And in particular, this time I did some beer mugs. Later I'm going to try this on some wine glasses, thinner glass, little different settings. But today I'm going to show you exactly how I made this with a diode laser. And yeah, they turned out really well. I'm very impressed with the ACMER P1 Pro. This thing did amazing. It's the 48 watt. And again, you saw the results. You're going to see some more here in a minute. Let's get into it. All right, so the first thing I like to do is get everything centered up and get the job ready to go. So what I do is I make sure I place my image where I want it, and then I will set the origin. So over here, if you see, I use my job origin here, centered. So I set my job origin to center of where I want it, and then I will click the go to origin and make sure that it is centered. And as you can see, it will move over to the center of the rollers here. And then what I do is I hand move it to where I want it exactly. Now, once I get it where I'm at, I'll put my cup in, and then I'll go ahead and frame it out. So right here, as you can see, we got the frame button. Laser will move around where you want it to go, and we are good to go. So then I will jump over to the settings here. And as you can see, these are my finalized settings for my glass. So this is a 48 watt laser. So 22 on speed, 2200 on speed, 25% of power. And then everything else, I do put fill mode, and I leave it pretty much the same except for the line interval. And I do use bidirectional. So line interval, I did go down to 0.08. So one trick I've learned doing these glasses is instead of focusing with the kickstand right on the glass, I like to defocus the laser slightly, only by about 1 to 1.5 millimeters. But what that does is it makes the energy spread out over a slightly larger area, and the heat becomes a little less aggressive, and it helps etch the glass better. So yeah, that's one thing I do is don't use the kickstand right on the glass, and here's how we set them up. So my first method here is airbrushing on some cheap tempura paint from the dollar store. And my second method here is film, laser engraving film. And then I went ahead and etched both of these guys out, and wow, all I can say is they both turned out really well. You get two different looks from the different methods, and we'll get into that here in a minute. But this is the film I'm engraving right now. And this is a blue film, and it did give me a slight blue tint on the finished product. And then here's the black film getting engraved right now. And these are obviously time lapse, but we'd be sitting here all day if I showed you the entire thing. And after doing an 8-pack of mugs, you see this. And the far two left-hand ones are the film. The rest are all the paint method. And here they are on a white background, so you can see the difference. And look at the difference, guys. So the left one is done with the film, right with the paint. And then opposite here, the left one is with the paint. The right one is the film, and you can see the close-up of it with a dark background. And we bring that into a lighter background, and here on the left you can see there's pigmentation from the film that got left over there. But then when you fill the glasses up, oh, look at that. Now this is the paint method, and here we go with the film method. Both of them look great, but all right, guys, there you have it. So yes, a laser based on diode technology can engrave glass as long as you have the right kind of medium on top of it to stop the heat and transfer that heat into the glass. But you can see everything turned out great. It's a fun project, really easy to do. Airbrush some paint on them, 99-cent store or wherever you want to get it, Amazon, and it works amazing. So hope you guys like the video. Like, subscribe. There is links down below. They are affiliate links. Enjoy, guys, and have a great day. God bless.